train. So that actually not be your lot, might be mine.
Too close to pulling through there.
I don't know why you got it.
Sit there for
Yeah, well, that's
Can you see the robot?
Well, that's two more amps done. What's that thing? Made you a box or something, tell me. I don't know, just got a gauge, amp gauge on it. Isn't this clever? What is all Mansfield?
the power. All my lights run up to that.
Oh, so you don't, all your lights don't run off a track then?
No.
Oh, you've got a separate circuit?
All my lights, 90% of my lights run up of this
Well,
transformer.
Keith's got a separate box for all his lights.
Yeah.
It's a doll's house transformer.
So you're not taking it off of your
Track.
off of your control, off of your track. But like sort of little things like this, we've got a little light on there.
Yeah.
It's easy just to bring two wires back on.
Yeah. Up to track.
One either side, you can't see them. And you wait. And it's an LED motor.
Yeah.
So they don't take no power. do they?
No, no.
I mean now your grain of wheat that used to be,
Oh, right. They suck it up.
they eat.
Oh, right. So you're better off with LEDs?
Oh yeah. I took all my grain of wheat out. Well that's all, 20 euro, that's all we had grain
That's
of
all
wheat.
you've got, yeah. In fact, years and years ago when I was doing the numbers, I had my little torch boards in and screwed them in.
Where I could get away with just running a little LED in 2 wires. All your wiring.